Which statement is true about typecasting in C? A. It changes the variable type permanently. B. It requires a new variable. C. It is a temporary type conversion. D. It only applies to integer edges. The right answer is C. It is a temporary type conversion. Goto can be used to jump from main to within a function. A. True. B. False. The right answer is B. False. Switch statement accepts A. Integer. B. Character. C. Long. D. All of the above. The right answer is D. All of the above. A label statement consists of an identifier followed by A. Semicolon. B. Colon. C. Comma. D. Equals to. The right answer is B. Colon. Which of the following statement about for loop is true? A. Index value is retained outside the loop. B. Index value can be changed from within the loop. C. Goto can be used to jump out of the loop. D. All of these. The right answer is D. All of these. What is the result of this expression colon 3 greater than 2 question mark 5 less than 3 question mark 10 colon 20 colon 30? A is 10. B 20. C 30. D none. The right answer is B 20. Do while always ends with A. If. B. While. C. Semicolon. D. None. The right answer is C. Semicolon. Which breaks the loop entirely? A. Break. B. Continue. C. Return. D. Go to. The right answer is A. Break. Which skips to next iteration? A. Break. B. Continue. C. Go to. D. Exit. The right answer is B. Continue. Is break valid outside loop? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only with go to. D. Only in if else. The right answer is B. No. Use of break in switch case is 2 colon. A. End program. B. Exit switch. C. Skip condition. D. Restart loop. The right answer is B. Exit switch. Which of the following is true about if else in C? A. Else can be used without if. B. If can be written without parentheses. C. Else must follow immediately after if or its block. D. Multiple ifs cannot be nested. The right answer is C. Else must follow immediately after if or its block. Which of the following is true about switch case? A. Only integer expressions are allowed. B. Only float expressions are allowed. C. String expressions allowed. D. Any data type is allowed. The right answer is A. Only integer expressions are allowed. How many times will this loop execute? For integer I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus equal to A. 0. B. 5. C. 10. D. Infinite. The right answer is A. 0. Choose the correct behavior of continue statement colon. A. Terminates the loop. B. Skips the next statement. C. Skips current iteration and continues loop. D. Restarts the loop from beginning. The right answer is C. Skips current iteration and continues loop. Which of the following is not allowed inside a switch block? A. Default. B. Continue. C. Break. D. Case. The right answer is B. Continue. What is the output of this code? Integer x equal 97, character ch equal, character x, print f, %c, ch. A. Capital A. B. Small a. C. 97. D. Compile error. The right answer is A. Capital A. Which keyword skips the remaining part of a loop iteration? A. Skip. B. Stop. C. Continue. D. Break. The right answer is C. Continue. Choose correct statement. Go to 123. A. Valid syntax. B. Invalid because label starts with digit. C. Infinite loop. D. Compiles and runs. The right answer is B. Invalid because label starts with digit. What is the result? Integer I equal 1 if I plus plus and an I plus plus. Print %d I. A2. B3. Cs 1. D. Compile error. The right answer is B3. Which one causes infinite loop? For semicolon. A. Yes. B. No. C. Depends. D. Compile error. The right answer is A. Yes. Which is valid typecast? A. Integer equal in round bracket float x. B. X equal integer in round bracket float. C. X equal in round bracket integer float. D. X equal in round bracket integer x. The right answer is D. X equal round bracket integer x. Which is true? A. Nested if not allowed. B. Loop can't have break. C. Break and continue are loop control statements. D. Go to only works inside functions. The right answer is C. Break and continue are loop control statements. Which of the following is true about if-else statements in C? A. Else must come before if. B. Multiple else if can follow an if. C. Only one if is allowed. D. Else cannot be used without if. The right answer is B. Multiple else if can follow an if. Which keyword is optional in if-else structure? A. If. B. Else. C. Else if. D. None. The right answer is B. Else. Which of the following is not valid syntax? A. If x y plus plus. B. If x equal y. C. If x equal y. D. If x greater than y, curly brackets. The right answer is B. If x equal y. How many if statements can be nested in C? A. 64. B. 128. C. No limit. D. 255. The right answer is C. No limit. When is loop body executed at least once? A. For. B. While. C. Do while. D. None. The right answer is C. Do while. Which part of a loop is optional? A. Initialization. B. Condition. C. Increment. D. All. The right answer is D. All. What happens here? For integer I equals 0, I less than 3 plus plus I minus minus. A. Infinite loop. B. Print numbers. C. Compilation error. D. Runtime error. The right answer is A. Infinite loop. Which causes infinite loop? A. While in round bracket 1. B. While in round bracket x equal x. C. While in round bracket 1 equal 1. D. All. The right answer is D. All. Loops in C language are implemented using A. While block. B. For block. C. Do while block. D. All the above. The right answer is D. All the above. Which loop is faster in C language, for, while or do while? A. For. B. While. C. Do while. D. All. The right answer is D. All. If switch feature is used, then A. Default case must be present. B. Default case, if used, should be the last case. C. Default case, if used, can be placed anywhere. D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Default case, if used, can be placed anywhere. Using goto inside for loop is equivalent to using A. Continue. B. Break. C. Return. D. None of the above. The right answer is D. None of the above.